Here is a chart of VERGE, XVGTUSD, and I was asked to take a look at this chart by at Shonster. And I pulled it up here. So this is a daily chart. Can't believe look how long this had been consolidating. And before I do a count, let's do a doodle with the lines. That's what I call it. So it's channeling, right? Between two parallel lines. This is called channeling. Prices can possibly drop. Before it rises, clearly. But it pretty much almost did that. But we can say A, B, C. But let's do a count. So if I did a count, here's a little bit of a peak. So we'll call this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very extended fifth. Not surprised. And you might be thinking, okay, after 5 waves, correction ensues. A, B, C. So the key question is this the start of wave 3? Wave 3 in the form of, the way I would see it, a higher degree. 1, 2, 3. And this is basically, you can say, so these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves make up subwaves of a higher degree wave 1, right? This A, B, C are the subwaves of a higher degree wave 2. So if it says wave 1, 2, 3 must be here. And this must be 1 of 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. For example, making up like that. But where's the form and the fit? Remember how I always said wave should look like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there's a form and fit for that. you can almost draw a parallel line, like so. And a parallel line here as well. Channeling, so to speak. But the angle of this channel is too low to kind of allow 3 to be higher than 1 and to allow 4 not to violate the rule by overlapping 1, the peak of 1. So what do you do in a situation like this? Well, you have to look at it in a different way. Remember, this is a daily time frame. So let's get rid of these labels for now. And just keep this. Let's even get rid of these doodle markings for now. Almost get a clean slate. I'm pretty sure this is impulsive as an ABC correction. But on a daily scale, what I then do is go to a log. Very different. Now it looks really nice. So here's a logarithmic. In fact, I can even move 1 to maybe somewhere here or here, even the lowest point maybe. I don't know what the lowest point is. Let's say it's over here. So then if I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this ABC looks a lot better. And this now looks a lot more like the beginning of wave 3. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. You didn't see that. Okay. The wave 3 makes sense. I'm going to get rid of keep the lines for now. Change it to minor scale. So remember, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 compose subwaves of 1. ABC compose subwaves of 2. And now the onset of 3 has happened by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? This is how I see it. When you're in a daily or weekly scale, don't be afraid to use logarithmic charts. It clarifies a lot, as I just showed you. And I'm going to extend the 5. So we are in wave 1 at a minor scale, 2. We have, I believe, finished 1, completing 2, so 1 of 3. And now completing 2 of 3. Soon we shall see 3 of 3, 4 of 3, and 5 of 3, and 3 will be complete. And we'll see, and then it'll correct to 4. And I go to 5. So about 350 target. like so. Okay, I hope this is helpful. And by the way, if you find this helpful and you find it informative, if you would consider kindly to upvote, follow, and re-steam, that would be really, really helpful. And if you happen to find a specific or particular blog or video analysis very extra attractive so as to gain more visibility, if you can consider promoting it on my behalf, that'll be great. I am also promoting some of the blogs myself too, but I can get any help you can provide on the visibility side. And for that, thank you in advance.